When the 1 cup and 2 cup buttons start flashing, this indicates that the machine will need to be cleaned. Insert the silicone cleaning disc into the filter basket in the portafilter. Place a cleaning tablet on top of the cleaning disc. And lock the portafilter into the group head. Empty the drip tray and place it back into the machine. Fill the tank to the max line and reattach it to the machine. To enter the cleaning cycle, press 1 cup and the 2 cup for 5 seconds to enter cleaning mode. The 1 cup and 2 cup button will then be illuminated. Press either 1 cup or 2 cup to begin the cleaning cycle. When the cleaning cycle is in progress, the lights will flash. The machine will go back into ready mode. The cleaning tablet should also have completely dissolved. If it hasn't, commence the cycle again until the tablet is dissolved. Once the tablet is completely dissolved, remove and rinse the portafilter, silicone disc, and the drip tray.